service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Morris County in northern New Jersey, north central Somerset County in northern New Jersey, central Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, east central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, until 9 p.m. At 3 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Morristown, Newton, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinlawn, Hackettstown, Boonton, Butler, and Wharton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 19 and 48. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 29 and 53. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.